This is my stateroom on the Divina. The closets as soon as you walk in. This one has some drawers, safe. Another section of the closet. This is the room. You can see the full view of the room. One bed, couch. So this is a balcony stateroom on the MSC Divina. This is my stateroom during this cruise. The bathroom is right here as soon as you enter. Bathroom's not that big, but hey, it's just me. Television is across the room. There's the phone. 2 lamps, one on each side of the bed. Got a nice couch, table, little desk area, television. Look at that, I have that mirror. Then there's also that huge mirror right there. I mean, that's a pretty nice mirror. And then one of the luxuries is it's a balcony room, so come right out here and chill on my balcony any time of day. When I wake up in port, I can chill up here in the balcony. We still haven't left yet. We're still in port Miami. We'll be setting sail at 7 p.m. This is the MSC Divina. View of the bathroom. There are storage areas underneath the sink to store things. Just in this storage area is the garbage can, extra tissue, and things like that. Have your Kleenex glasses, shower caps.